In this video, we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Vantru N4 3-channel dash cam. Rounding out our list is the Vantru N4, a triple-channel dash cam designed for full vehicle coverage. Offering simultaneous front, inside, and rear recording, it is one of the most comprehensive systems available today. Each camera captures in high resolution, with the front lens capable of 4K recording, the inside cabin at 1440p, and the rear at 1080p, ensuring all angles are covered with impressive clarity. One of its biggest strengths is infrared night vision. Using advanced sensors and dedicated infrared lights, the N4 captures clear images of both drivers and passengers even in complete darkness. This makes it especially valuable for rideshare operators who need reliable footage inside the cabin at all times. The Vantru N4 also offers flexible parking modes, including low bitrate continuous recording and motion or collision-triggered recording. This means your vehicle remains under surveillance even when you are away. To support heavy usage, it is powered by a durable supercapacitor. Number 4. Cobra SC400D Ultra HD 4K Dash Camera. The Cobra SC400D is designed for drivers who want maximum clarity, flexibility, and smart features in a single package. Recording in ultra-high-definition 4K, it captures every detail of your drive with exceptional precision. Whether you need evidence for insurance purposes or simply want peace of mind, the SC400D delivers top-tier video performance. Unlike many single-lens models, this dash cam comes with both a front-facing and rear-facing camera. Together, they provide dual-view coverage, and for those seeking even more, an optional cabin view camera can be added to create a full three-way system. This versatility makes it ideal for family vehicles, rideshare drivers, and long-haul travelers. Integration with Amazon Alexa adds convenience, allowing you to use voice commands for music, navigation, or information without taking your hands off the wheel. It is a feature that blends safety with modern smart technology. The SC400D also goes beyond simple recording by offering live police alerts and real-time navigation notifications. Through the Drive Smarter app, drivers gain access to a nationwide community that shares speed zones, radar locations, and live alerts. This keeps you more informed and helps avoid unexpected fines. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. If you prefer a discreet yet capable device, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is one of the best options available. Its design is so compact that it is often compared to the size of a car key, meaning it blends seamlessly into your vehicle without drawing unnecessary attention. Despite its tiny frame, it packs impressive functionality, making it ideal for drivers who value subtlety without sacrificing performance. Recording in 1080p with a wide 140-degree field of view, the Mini 2 captures crisp and detailed video both during the day and at night. Thanks to Garmin Clarity HDR optics, footage remains sharp in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring you never miss critical details. Its discreet nature is especially valuable for those parking in high-risk areas where visible dash cams could invite tampering. Voice control elevates the experience by allowing hands-free operation. Commands like saving a video, taking still images, or starting and stopping audio recording make the device incredibly convenient. This feature is available in multiple languages, enhancing accessibility for a wide range of users. The Garmin Mini 2 is also equipped with Parking Guard. Number 2. Escort Amazcam 360C Laser Radar Detector and Dash Camera. The Escort Amazcam 360C offers a unique combination that makes it stand out from standard dash cams. By integrating a powerful radar detector with a high-definition camera, it provides both protection from traffic violations and crystal-clear video evidence. For drivers who want all-around situational awareness, this is a powerhouse solution. Its radar detection system is built on the same advanced chips used in Escort's flagship models, offering exceptional range and accuracy. It provides 360-degree directional awareness, meaning you can instantly see where potential radar or laser threats are coming from. The arrows that indicate direction are a standout feature. Number 1. Nextbase IQ Smart 4G Dash Cam. At the top of our list is the Nextbase IQ Smart 4G Dash Cam, a feature-packed innovation that redefines what a dash cam can do. It is not just about capturing your drive in ultra-clear 4K resolution, but about creating a full safety and security system for your vehicle. Unlike traditional cameras, this model integrates cutting-edge technology like Smart Sense Parking, Emergency SOS, and RoadWatch AI, ensuring peace of mind every time you hit the road. One of the most impressive features is its built-in infrared cabin camera that records in 1440p, offering an additional layer of protection inside the vehicle. Whether you drive for personal use or ride-sharing, This ensures that every angle of your journey is covered. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.